Hello friends, my name is Vinod Verma and I teach English grammar with Knowledge Mantra too. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe my channel Knowledge Mantra too. Today's topic is prepositions. Learn prepositions with examples. In, on, at, by, over, under, between, next to. Let's learn. Preposition number 1, in. Look at this example. There is a glass and there is a ball. Where is the ball? The ball is in the glass. The ball is in the glass. In. The ball is in the glass. In preposition, we also use for time. In time. I was born in 2000. He is coming in May. Look at these examples. First example, I was born in 2000. In this first example, in we use for time 2000. Second example, he is coming in May. In this example, we also use in preposition for time. So, we also use in preposition for time. Number 2. Preposition on. Look at this example. There is a table and these are books. Where are the books? The books are on the table. On. Where is the books? The books are on the table. We are also used on preposition for time. Look at these examples. I go to gym on Saturday. We meet on Independence Day. On Sunday, we are talking about time. Second example, we meet on Independence Day. We always use on with weekdays or festival. For example, on New Year Eve, on Christmas, on Monday, on Tuesday, on Friday. So we use on preposition for time as well as with weekdays and special events. Number 3. Preposition at. We use at preposition for place and time. Look at these examples. Example number 1. I am at home. Example number 2. She is at the park. So, at we use preposition for place. Look at these examples. We use preposition for time. I eat breakfast at 9 a.m. They sleep at 11 p.m. So we use preposition for place and time 5 p.m., 10 p.m., 9 a.m., 11 p.m. So we use at for time. The next preposition number 4. By. By preposition. Look at these examples. Example number 1. I came here by bus. Now you can understand how we use by preposition. I came here bus. Example. She went to London by train. Second example, she went to London by train. How did she go to London? She went to London by train. And it's another use of by preposition. These are more examples. There is a tree and there is a boy. Where is the boy standing? The boy is standing by the tree. In this sentence, by means near the tree. The boy is standing near the tree. Look at this another example. Where is the boy standing? The boy is standing by the swimming pool. By means near the swimming pool. Preposition number 5. Over. Look at this example. There is a glass and these are books. Where are the books? The books are over the glass. Over. The books are over the glass. Another example. The ball is over the glass. Preposition number 6. Under. Look at this example. There is a table and these are books. Where are the books? The books are under the table. Second example. The ball is under the table. Preposition number 7. Between. Look at this example. These are books, a bowl and a table. These are books, a bowl and a table. Where is the bowl? Can you tell me? Okay, let me tell you. The bowl is between the books and the table. Preposition number 8. Next to. Look at this example. Where is the glass? The glass is next to the tree. There is another example. Where is the bus? The bus is next to the tree. I hope you learnt all the prepositions, guys. Let me comment below if you like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel Knowledge Mantra 2. Thank you. Bye bye.